October 27 Current Affairs. Amazon reports India's e-commerce exports have exceeded 20 billion United States dollars, despite the US imposing tariffs on Indian goods. The India Maritime Week 2025 opened in Mumbai with the government emphasizing India's maritime strength and strategic location. The Narendra Modi-led government shared an article stressing that climate justice is a moral duty for India and central to global climate action. The 22nd ASEAN-India Summit began in Kuala Lumpur. Prime Minister Modi will attend virtually and will not meet Donald Trump in person ahead of key trade talks. The Mustafabad village in Uttar Pradesh is to be renamed Kabir Dham, as announced by UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) has taken over the probe of the stampede in Karur, Tamil Nadu, which left several dead. The opposition in India has described the country's air pollution crisis as a full-blown assault, citing links to millions of deaths due to PM 2.5 exposure. A luxury bus fire near Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, killed around 20 people. Initial investigations point to a drunk biker colliding with the vehicle. 4 protesters were killed in Cameroon amid election-related unrest, signaling rising tensions ahead of official results. The Indian rupee fell 4 paise to 87.87 against the US dollar in early trade, weighed down by a strong dollar and elevated global crude oil prices. A Category 4 hurricane named Hurricane Melissa is strengthening and may intensify into Category 5, threatening Jamaica and neighboring islands. A US Navy helicopter and a fighter jet crashed in separate incidents over the South China Sea. All crew members were rescued and investigations underway. US President Donald Trump departed Malaysia for Japan on the second leg of his Asia trip, with a possible extension to North Korea rumored. India is preparing to hold a major tri-service, Army, Navy, Air Force, exercise named Trishul, near its western frontier from October 30 to November 10. The world's top fashion brands are increasingly looking at India as a key growth market. Several global retailers have recently launched new operations in India. Hong Kong has been ranked among the world's top 10 most polluted major cities today, with air quality indices in the unhealthy for sensitive groups bracket. Lithuania closed its border with Belarus after repeated disruptions at Vilnius airport caused by dozens of suspected smuggling balloons, raising concerns of hybrid security threats. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and follow my channel for more awesome content.